Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome one more time to DeFi Daily. Today I bring you a different video. This is going to be a shorter video, and I've uploaded it urgently because in yield farming it's important that we enter into projects as soon as possible, as early as possible, to make sure that we take advantage of the highest APRs. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this going forward. As soon as there's a project that you guys need to jump in, I'm gonna make a video, so make sure you activate the alarms so that every time I upload a video, you receive it immediately. In this case, the project is called Delirium. It's audited by Rockdog, Paladin. The guys are very active in social media, as you can see. This is layer 2. Layer 1 was Sandman. They have a good team behind. I really like the arts. Good total market liquidity. In the farm section, you will see that the APRs that they are paying are very, very high, between 800% to 1000% in some cases. We're going to invest in DAI USDC. So in order to invest, you need to approve the contract. We have more than 150,000 almost dollars in that pool. So in order to invest here, we're going to need to provide liquidity, half in USDC, half in DAI. I'm going to deposit about $1,100 in this pool. So you're going to confirm the transaction. And while we wait for the transaction to get confirmed, guys, make sure you hit the bell button so that you get notification as soon as I upload a video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you leave a comment. If you're liking the video, please let me know. If you like that I bring these new projects that just launched so that you can take advantage of the highest APRs and APYs, let me know. We will continue now. Matic USDC, we're going to approve. So we're going to also invest in here. We need to approve the contract. Before we invest in Matic, let's go to DAI and USDC because our liquidity has already been provided. So we're going to confirm and we're going to stake the liquidity pool tokens that we obtained. So you're going to click on the stake button and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And then the next step is going to be to actually invest in that Matic USDC pool. In order to do that, guys, I'm going to buy more Matic. Actually, I'm going to swap some of my stablecoins to Matic. And I'm doing this because there was a big drop today. So I think it's a good entry point for Matic. I mean, I'm not going to exchange a lot, but I think I'm going to at least buy like 200 Matic more or a little bit less maybe. And with this, I'm going to have already the half of the money that I want to invest into that Matic USDC pool. The other half is USDC. So what we're going to do after I confirm this transaction is to actually swap some of those USDT that I have in MetaMask into USDC. And in order to do this, we're going to use Curve. So part of this video is also going to be a small tutorial on how you can use Curve to exchange your stablecoins at the lowest fees in the Polygon ecosystem, and it's using Curve. So let's go to Curve really quickly. This is the website. I really like the whole user interface of this project. And yeah, you can select here the stable coin that you want to swap. In this case, we're going to use USDT. We're going to swap it to USDC. Yeah, let me check exactly how much we need. Yeah, so I think we're gonna swap around 230, which is gonna give you 229.94 USDC, which is actually very good. You see, it's 6 cents in fee, which is almost nothing. So it's very good. We're gonna confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Very simple. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave the link to Curve in the description of the video so that you can definitely check it out. And while the transaction get confirmed on MetaMask, let's hope this goes a little bit faster. It's been very slow today. I'm gonna show you, once the transaction get confirmed, how we actually get to stake our Matic USDC. So you go back to Delirium, you click on the details and Matic USDC button to get the LP token. We're gonna go to QuickSwap, and in QuickSwap we're gonna choose Matic USDC. And you're going to click on the max button, right? So that you can invest all your USDCs or as much as you can. It's going to be 50-50. So 50% USDC, 50% Matic. It's going to be around $460 that we're going to invest in this LP pool. So yeah, let's confirm the transaction in MetaMask. A little bit slow today. Let's confirm the transaction. And the next step is once you have your liquidity pool tokens, right? You're going to be ready to stake them in the farm and start earning interest. So to do that, we're going to go back to Matic USDC. There's the button stake, which should be already enabled. while we get it enabled and the liquidity pools fall under our wallet. Let's go to link, because I already have them in my wallet. This is a pool in which I'm going to invest as well. This is going to be more direct. You just need to enable the contract. If you have the link in your MetaMask, you can stake directly. You saw it's around 180k that they already have in this pool. And yeah, you click max. We're going to stake 3.77 link, which is not a lot. It's like $100, a little bit less. But we're going to put them to work and provide us with an interest. So you will always get charged with that 4% deposit fee. But yeah, the APR is more than 1,000. So that's amazing, guys. And yeah, now I think our liquidity pool on Matic USDC must be ready. So we click the stake button. Yeah, we got the liquidity pool tokens ready. We click max. You confirm the transaction. And then we are ready to stake our Matic USDC. With these guys, we are done. I mean, we've invested DAI USDC at 800%, Matic USDC more than 1,000%, Link more than 1,000%. And look, we're already generating benefits around 38 cents in this case. And it's been, I mean, I cut a little bit of the video, but I think it's been 5 to 10 minutes. So we're generating very good interest. You confirm the transaction. You're going to confirm one for each farm or pool that you've invested in. And by this, we're going to do our compound interest strategy again. So all the benefits that we harvest, we're going to reinvest them. And yeah, let me show you very, very quickly, because, you know, I've chosen this project, Delirium. It's layer 2 of Sandman, a project that already worked very well. The Rockdog review in terms of auditing is very good. It has cataloged the project as a low risk, which is one of the lowest levels of risk. And they've done a KYC, so they've checked the identity of the owner. So that's very, very positive. And they have also a Paladin audit, which is a very good firm. And look, guys, 0 high and 0 medium risk found. So this means the contracts, smart contracts of this project are very solid. So I like it. I'm gonna, you know, put some money here. And yeah, as I said, all the benefits that we're gonna harvest, we're gonna swap them from Delirium to Matic. Those of you who have already seen some of our other videos, you know we are doing this in order to secure our gains in the long term. So Delirium is more volatile, Matic less volatile. So we want to put our money in less volatile tokens so that we can maximize our earnings in the long term. And all of this Matic that we're harvesting, we're going to reinvest them in other farms. In the case of Polygon, I selected Polycat, a farm of WMatic USDC that is paying around 45% APR, which is very good with 0 deposit fee. And yeah, guys, with that, once the transaction is approved, we've finished what we wanted to show on today's video. Before we finish, really quickly, Oberon Finance, a new project on Polygon network as well. Very good APRs, very good APYs. They have also vaults where you can auto compound your tokens. So make sure that you take a look at the project in case you want to invest your money. I'll probably do a video on it. And with this, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you want more videos like this with new projects that just launched, make sure you like the video. If you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe. Remember to share the video. And yeah, thank you very much and see you on our next video on DeFi Daily. Bye-bye.